Good morning. It's the start of day 3. We're in Pocono, Pennsylvania. We're going to start at the Pocono racetrack. So I'm going to go ahead and head over that way and we'll start today's video. Let's do this. So here we are out on the track. You can see that we actually got to drive a little bit on the track, park in pit lane, and then we get to drive, I think, around the track to get off of it. So I'm gonna go ahead, run through the minis, show you some of the booths, and show you a little bit of this track. It's a really cool place to start day 3. So let's go check out those minis. Guys, this is Woody and Barbie here, and they are driving this countryman from North Carolina, doing the whole route, and they're towing this camper the whole way, camping everywhere. It's really cool. I'll show you a picture of the camper unfolded if I can. It's pretty sweet setup. So that's it for Pocono kickoff. We're leaving now, get to do a little lap around the track and then head on to Frederick. So let's go ahead and get in the car, see if we can get on this track. We made it to the end of the line. We're gonna get to go around the track. So let's go ahead and go around this track. Pocono, I'm super excited to go around it. I usually get to go around Watkins, never get to go around a big track like this, Pocono. So we're going right now. Last one in line, super lucky. So that was the lap around Pocono, just a little quick parade lap, nothing special, but super fun. All right, so we made it to the end of day 3. We're in Frederick, Maryland, and we have a little bit of a GP3 meetup, which is a hint of what's gonna come tomorrow at day 4. It's gonna be a very GP specific day. So if you wanna see that, make sure you're subscribed. Leave any questions or comments you have down below. And as always, when you see other minis out there, don't forget to wave. All right, I'll catch you tomorrow.